Sorry it's been a while everyone, but we're back at the shit box. Basically on Saturday, Harry very kindly blew out my tyre. This is the spare. So, get in. So we're going to be taking it to the workshop and attempting to put a new rim on it. Very kindly, the ignition's already on. I need to take my roof cover off. One sec. Now, cold start time. She has started. This is one of its possible wheels. It does fit the car, I know that. But I need to see if it holds pressure, or PSI I mean, when I get to the workshop. Don't know whose that is, but you can go in the back. We get hit. Steady Lucy. Basically, I only installed it because the fuel solenoid does not work, so yeah. Here she is. So I've done some messing about. This tyre has a leak about down here. So that one won't hold air past 20 psi. This one seems to hold air fairly well, 35 psi, and I don't think it's gone down. I'm going to check in a sec. But that one looks like the best shot. This one, I'm pretty sure it also fits the car. I pumped it up to 35 psi and it seems to hold fine, so that one might just be a spare. Look how loose these wheel nuts are. Right, it's got that wheel on now because that one just kept rubbing against the inside. I'm pretty sure this one holds air, but I can't really say for sure. If not, I'll just put some sealant in it and hope for the best. So it's all done now. There's the wheel. I have done it up, so it should be secure. And the question I get asked is, my beacons, do they work? Well, this one's got a rain cover on it, because there's a crack in it. But the answer is yes, they do. One sec. I better put that rain cover back on because it has a roof leak, but the UK weather hasn't been that bad recently, but yeah. What a weapon! Time for its test spin.